How to place orders, buy or sell. Follow these easy steps to buy and sell stocks using the Kotak Securities improved and enhanced trading interface. Log in using www.kotaksecurities.com/trade. Once you have logged in, you can search a particular script by typing the name or symbol or underlying in the search script option. By hovering on the stock details, you get the options to buy, sell, or add to watch list. Additionally, by hovering over stocks already added in your watch list, you will get the option to buy or sell. Clicking on either of these two options will take you to the order pop-up window. You can toggle between buy and sell and select the desired exchange. Choose the trade type, product type, and order type from the available options. Furthermore, you can simultaneously view the market depth from the watch list and choose the best price to buy or sell by clicking on bid or ask prices. Fill in the required details like quantity and price. Then place your order by clicking on either the buy or sell button according to your chosen option. Review the pop-up summary confirmation window and then click on the confirm button. Congratulations, you have successfully placed your order. Similarly, sell orders can be placed by following the same steps. You may check all your pending orders, executed orders, and trade book details under the Orders section. As long as your orders are reflected in the pending order book, you have the option to modify or cancel them. Once an order is executed, it reflects in the executed order book. Use the trade book option to view details of an order at trade level. In addition, you can view all your cancelled and rejected orders under executed orders. Happy trading!